one of the most in-demand cars at the moment, 911 Turbo S. This has just arrived, one owner from new, convertible, covered 1,424 miles. It is in as new condition. It is beautiful. The right spec as well, GT silver, front axle lift, Porsche LED matrix lights, sports exhaust, exclusive Turbo S wheels, and a beautiful classic heritage design interior. Soon as this video goes live, it'll be sold. Great buy for someone. 2023, covered 1,424 miles, priced at £169,990. Just look at the car. I think GT silver, very iconic colour in Porsche, and it looks beautiful. Look at the condition of it, 1,424 miles. Incredible performance, 650 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive. They're holding the value very, very, very well as well, which I think is so important. Ceramic brakes, exclusive Turbo S wheels, which are the wheels to have. They're in a two-tone as well, so you've got bright silver and then a darker grey on the inserts. Black calipers, skirts, air vents have been done in gloss black. Into the rear, sports exhaust, that big rear spoiler which retracts, and that car just sits and looks fabulous. What a convertible. They're usable, they're fast, pound for pound, one of the best sports cars, supercars money can buy. And then to get something like this with this level of miles just makes it even better. 18-way adaptive seats, Bose sound system. You can see there you've got your heritage design interior in the classic check. Half leather around there, Porsche crests, heated seats, just beautiful condition. Heated GT steering wheel, which is in Race-Tex as well, which is beautiful. Nose lift, sports exhaust, just a lovely, lovely example. Nothing better when we get something like this with this miles as well. Other options the car's got as well, it's got adaptive cruise control, which is another feature. You've got surround camera, axle lift, sports exhaust, PDCC, Porsche dynamic chassis control. It's also got power steering plus. It is just beautiful. What a car. We're on the hunt for Turbo S's because they're selling really, really well. They're holding the money really, really well. But then to get something like this in this condition with this miles just makes such a difference. Black roof, I'll just show you the roof up now as well. Fabulous. Any information, my name and number is on the screen. But if you're in the marketplace for a 911 Turbo S convertible, it's one owner, it's covered 1,400 miles, all the right extras. What a car.